Google is getting ready to launch the Pixel 11 series, and this phone lineup could become one of the smartest Android flagships ever made. At first glance, the design may look familiar, but the real upgrades are happening inside the phone. From a brand new display technology to powerful AI features and major camera improvements, the Pixel 11 is shaping up to be a serious competitor to the upcoming iPhone 17 and Galaxy S26. Leaks are already revealing some huge changes, and some of them could give Google an advantage for the first time in years. One of the biggest upgrades coming to the Pixel 11 lineup is the display. According to recent leaks, Google may become the first smartphone brand to use Samsung's new M16 OLED panel. This is important because displays are one of the most noticeable parts of any smartphone. The new M16 OLED technology is expected to deliver much higher brightness, especially outdoors under direct sunlight. Watching videos, scrolling social media, or using navigation outside could feel significantly better compared to older OLED panels. But brightness is not the only improvement. The new panel is also rumored to be more power efficient. That means the Pixel 11 may offer better battery life without increasing battery size too much. Better color accuracy and deeper contrast are also expected, making photos, movies, and games look more realistic. What makes this leak even more interesting is that competing phones like the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S26 are still expected to use older M14 panel technology. If that happens, Google could actually have the best smartphone display of the year. Another major upgrade is the new Tensor G6 processor. Google is reportedly building this chip using a 2-nanometer process, which is a huge jump in efficiency and performance. The Tensor chips were always focused heavily on AI features instead of pure gaming performance, and the Tensor G6 seems to continue that strategy. The new chip is expected to handle AI tasks much faster while also reducing heat and improving battery efficiency. That means faster photo processing, smoother voice recognition, smarter AI tools, and better real-time translations. Apps could open quicker, multitasking could feel smoother, and background tasks may consume less power. Google is also expected to pair the Tensor G6 with the Titan M3 security chip. This extra chip adds hardware-level protection for passwords, private files, and sensitive data. Security has become one of Google's biggest selling points, and the Pixel 11 may push it even further. Connectivity is also getting an upgrade. Reports suggest Google may finally switch away from Samsung's Exynos modem and use MediaTek's newer M90 modem instead. Previous Pixel phones sometimes struggled with weak signal strength or unstable connections, so this change could improve cellular performance, battery drain, and network stability. But one of the most surprising leaks is something called Pixel Glow. This feature could completely change how notifications work on Pixel phones. Pixel Glow is rumored to bring LED lighting effects to the back of the phone. When notifications arrive, the rear lights may glow in different colors depending on the type of alert. For example, one color could mean messages, another color could represent calls, while another might show charging status or battery warnings. Reports claim the system may support up to 8 different colors. This feature sounds simple, but it could make Pixel phones stand out in a market where most devices now look almost identical. It also brings back some nostalgia because older phones used notification LEDs years ago, but Google may modernize the idea with AI integration. Leaks suggest Gemini AI could interact with Pixel Glow and make it smarter over time. Imagine the phone learning which notifications are important and automatically changing lighting behavior based on personal habits. Customization is also expected to play a big role. Users may be able to choose their own colors and assign them to specific apps or contacts. Now let's talk about cameras, because Google is preparing some serious upgrades here too. The base Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro Fold are rumored to use a brand new 50MP sensor codenamed Chemosh. Even though details are still limited, leaks suggest this sensor could improve low-light photography and image sharpness. Meanwhile, the Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL may receive 2 completely new camera sensors. One is expected for the main camera, while the other may power the telephoto lens. Earlier reports mentioned a possible 64MP telephoto sensor for the Pixel 11 Pro XL, which could dramatically improve zoom quality. Google's computational photography is already considered one of the best in the smartphone industry, so combining better hardware with Google's AI processing could produce incredible results. Night photography, portrait shots, and zoom performance may all receive major upgrades this year, and even though the overall design is expected to stay similar, Google may still make some important refinements. Leaks show the Pixel 11 series keeping the famous horizontal camera bar design, but this time the camera bar could be black instead of matching the phone color. That small change may create a cleaner and more premium look. The bezels are also rumored to become thinner, making the display feel more immersive and modern. Even small bezel reductions can make a phone feel much more futuristic in daily use, but software could be the biggest reason people upgrade to the Pixel 11. The Pixel 11 lineup is expected to launch with Android 17 right out of the box, and this version of Android focuses heavily on Gemini intelligence. Google is reportedly turning Gemini into a powerful AI assistant capable of handling multi-step actions automatically. Instead of opening apps manually and doing everything one by one, Gemini may complete complex tasks in the background. For example, it could organize schedules, manage reminders, summarize messages, or automate phone settings depending on routines. Another rumored feature is AI-generated widgets. Users may simply describe the widget they want, and Gemini could create it instantly using Google's Material Expressive Design System. Android 17 is also expected to introduce features like app bubbles and pause point, making multitasking smarter and more organized. All these changes together show that Google is not trying to win with hardware alone anymore. The company is building a full AI-powered smartphone experience, and the Pixel 11 could become the smartest Android phone ever released. The official launch is still a few months away, but if these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Pixel 11 series may finally give Google a true flagship capable of challenging both Samsung and Apple in a much bigger way. Subscribe for more latest Pixel 11 leaks, Galaxy S26 updates, and upcoming smartphone news. Don't forget to like the video and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big tech update.